He loves to cut. Okay, let's turn this around here like this, and we're going to glue our stars on.
Stars.
Put it on. Good. Pat it down.
Stars.
Pat it down. Good work.
Stars.
That's one.
There's a sleep.
What do you say?
Another star, please. You're so polite.
There's another star.
Are you gonna count them? You want lots of stars, huh?
Here you go. Put it on. Good. Pat it down.
This one missing.
Pat it down good.
This one.
2.
This one missing.
Let's do another star. You are such a good artist, Joey. Here you go, sweetie. Good work. Pat it down. This is adorable.
And 4.
You get it? Pat good. There's 3. Okay, here comes another.
This one missing with either.
You are doing a good job with your stars.
Very loud,
Is Mommy taping you?
Wow.
I'm taping you. Make this. 'Cause it's
So
beautiful.
nice.
Talks loud. Diddy.
Here it comes. Hold on to it. Good. Pat it down.
He likes up there. I like up there.
You like upstairs?
There's a lot of action in this
This is
house.
my favorite room. This is my favorite room.
This is your what? Your favorite room. Well, good. Your bedroom should be your favorite room. It's where you go sleepy at night.
Yeah.
Nice. Pat it.
Pat, pat, pat.
Pat, pat, pat.
You can't just say it, you gotta do it too, Jody.
Come on.
Pat, pat, pat.
There you go.
It's hard work sitting up like this, huh?
You know what,
You're doing
Joey?
a good job.
You know what, Joe? Look at me.
Here,
you
Beth's
look
talking
over?
to you.
Can you look over at me?
I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna move this towel for a minute. So then he can move his head a little bit.
Can you move? Can you turn your head towards me for a minute? I want to say something to you.
Oh.
You're like a movie star. You're like a movie star.
You turn both ways?
I can't believe it.
Say no, no, no. Shake your head.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You ready for another star?
No.
Yeah, you got 3 more stars.
Yeah.
To do. Okay, pat them down.
Pat, pat.
Good.
Pat, pat, pat.
Very nice. Good. Do it again. Good.
Pat.
That's good patting.
Are you knocking?
You're knocking on your flag.
Sounds like a drum in here. Who's playing a drum?
No drum, Mommy's patting stars down.
Pat, pat,
But he has rhythm.
Pat the stars down.
Patting stars down with rhythm.
You're good. Want another star? I think we could fit 2 more on there. What do you think?
The whisper. Sticky.
Sticky.
Sticky, can you put it right there? Let's see you do it. Uh-oh, it's right there.
Did you lose it?
It's sticky.
Here,
Sticky.
you got it? Put it on. Put on your flag. Want me to help you? Sticky.
It's really sticking to my
It's
finger.
sticking to your fingers. Okay, pat it down again.
Good.
Pat, pat, pat.
Bring your arm up.
Is that bothering your head? You want me to move it?
Wow, we got bedroom. Look at all your stars.
Lucky Joe.
Cheese.
Look at your
Oh, you're
stars.
choosing.
Cheese.
Taking a video, Joe. It's not a picture.
Yeah, it's a video.
You say hi to everyone. Say hi. You say hi to everyone?
Hi.
Everybody's going to watch you.
Hi.
Okay.
You
Come on.
want everyone to say hi to Sydney? Say hi, Sid.
Hi.
Say hi, Sid. Aw. You're so cute. Okay, pat
Okay,
your
look.
last
We're
star.
almost done. Look.
You're almost done.
Look at your. Oh, look at all them stars.
You can't fit any more stars. That's all the room you have. Look at how nice.
You did a good job,
That's
Joey.
good. Because you just painted all your stripes. And you cut them.
That makes Joey loud.
That's really nice, Joe.
You need a suck? You want Joey to suck? Cheese.
Joey.
Alright.
Did you like that?
You do big smile? Let me see your big smile.
Stick your tongue out at him.